This is a quick preview of my Christmas video for this year. Nakamichi ZX-9 from 1979 or 1980. As you can see, very poor shape. The idea was to do something different than last year and just take basically the worst neck I've ever seen and try to bring this back around if it's possible. Very obvious condition issues. Heads are corroded. Counter's missing paint. Heavy corrosion all over the case and dirt. I think this went swimming. Or something. $371 after 12% discount. Can I do anything with it? Stop by on Christmas Day.